Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just an intraday update. Not too much happened today in the market. I mean, yes, we had quite a bit of volatility. It was an extremely choppy day, but there haven't really been any crazy decisions. So the market has just basically moved sideways. The market hasn't really made any significant decisions. And yes, we started the day with a nice rally. We had that breakout above our trend line. We saw the price reacted to the support zone, and the day started really well, but then we had a dip, and that indicated that the upside price action, the reaction to the upside, it was not impulsive. And whenever any price action lacks impulsiveness, then it is definitely getting more fragile, the price structure, and leaves Bitcoin basically vulnerable to testing here the 78.6 retracement at 56,280. And that's the more important level actually, the invalidation point for our white bullish scenario at 54,600. So again, we have a short-term bullish scenario in which the market could just continue to move up, but it is based on a very corrective foundation. So that means, see, the rally was corrective. The intraday rally, you have a lot of overlapping price action. We have only a 3-wave move up. And you could say this was an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave in a bearish scenario that would lead to a new move down. So it's not clearly bullish. That's what I want to say. So maybe be a bit careful, From a short-term bullish point of view, it could be this. So that we say, yep, we bottomed here really in that B wave. The market turned around in our orange support region, but the rally was wave 1 in a diagonal. The move down was a wave 2. This is an A, B, and if we move up from here, this could be a C wave rally of wave 3, then a wave 4, then a wave 5. And if we can get the price in this rally to round about 66,850, then this is sort of what we could, this is a completed third wave then. So yeah, but it's not clear to me. I mean, as I said, the market didn't make any significant decisions today. And I just want to repeat again, price action today, which was just choppy. And anybody who traded this intraday was caught in the chop. But price action today leaves Bitcoin extremely vulnerable. And it is a very fragile structure. And I would not be surprised at all if we test maybe 56,280 before the price reverses back to the upside, or at least before another reversal attempt is made. But this here is not invalidated. Only a couple of hours ago maybe, I posted on Discord that the price would need to reverse to the upside from here, exactly here, to keep the white microstructure to the upside alive. But as I said before, this structure is my best guess because this is corrective. And we have no, again, it looked good in the morning and then it suddenly broke down. So no major action. Important is, I think, to recognize that there is a key support level that as long as it's holding, I'm considering this move down a B wave, which might have bottomed already. Okay, one more low could just be an extension of the B wave in a larger diagonal pattern to the upside and the white wave count that could send us into the 70K region. Just be aware that below that level we have an invalidation point at 54,600, and minimum target for the third wave to the upside is 66,850. But any break of support now will indicate that the yellow wave count becomes more likely, especially below the invalidation point at 54,600. The yellow scenario is taking the lead. That means it could be a B wave top here. All right. And if the B wave has topped, then this leaves the door open, or it actually opens the door to a move down to 43K. So it all hinges on basically these two support levels, really. 56,280. This is just support. It's not an invalidation point. But the red line is the invalidation point at 54,600. Any break below that, as I said, likely sends us down to 43K or so. So yeah, what can I say? Not really any new insights today. These are like the worst days when really nothing is happening. I know it was quite a bit of volatility, but no, no progress. Only 5-wave movements lead to progress. This here was just choppy sideways action, and the S&P 500 did something similar. So it really just moved sideways in some kind of a triangle fashion. So we have to be patient, and maybe something is going to happen a little later today. Sometimes, when the Asian market opens, we see a little bit of action, or just around the weekly candle close. If anything significant happens, I update that on Discord for our gold members, and then tomorrow in the next video, you will get the next update. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.